Do you ever feel like your weeks are just passing by without getting much done? Today, we're talking about how to plan your week effectively. I'll show you how I plan my week with three main rules in mind in a way that really works. And I've got a secret tip at the end that you don't want to miss. Hey, it's Christy here. If you like tips on being more productive and using tech smarter, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Now let's get into planning. First up, the rule of three. This simple concept is extremely powerful. Each week you set three main goals. That's it, just three. Why? Because it narrows down your focus to what's truly essential. Maybe you want to finish a big project, plan a meeting, or tidy up your work area. Keep your eyes on these three goals all week will help you immensely. Next is reverse planning, and it's exactly what it sounds like, planning backwards. Start with your end goal in mind. What do you need to have completed by Friday or Sunday? Work backwards to today and plan out the steps you need to take each day to get where you want to. This technique ensures that you're always working towards your goals and it helps prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks. Watch as I break down my end goals into manageable daily actions. I have my weekly planning and review page open, and I'll start with my three priorities for the week. I work in finance and we'll have an external audit this week, so I'll say audit management is one of my key priorities this week. I'll also have YouTube posting, and I want to create a new listing on Etsy in my shop. When I have these three priorities, I set my deadlines. I'll have the second YouTube video on Sunday. I just don't want to type too much. I'll have my Etsy listing on Saturday, and I'll have first YouTube video planned for Wednesday. I also have to finalize audit on Friday. Okay, let's see what my main tasks are here. Okay, I have to do quite some editing. I have to finish my listing description, and I have to add some photos. Oh, I do have an unfinished task from last week, finalizing a contract for advisory. And that's it. That's on high level my weekly plan. It can be this quick. Now let's add some color with visual time blocking. This is my favorite because I love playing with colors. Assign a color to different types of tasks or goals, maybe blue for deep work, green for meetings, yellow for personal development, and so on. First off, I start with planning my ideal week in blocks. And then I have a look at my calendar with the existing meetings and other duties registered already and bring all these together. Wait till my secret tip at the end to boost this one to the next level. By blocking out time on your calendar and filling it with color, you create a visual map of your week. It makes your week easy to see at a glance and help you stick to your plan because it psychologically commits you to those blocks. I'll just quickly go to my ideal week planner where I just put together the frame of the week really, really quickly. Let's put all these three techniques together. I open my Outlook and book all my tasks and meetings for the week. this method works so well. The rule of three keeps your week goal-oriented. Reverse planning ensures progress towards your finish line, and visual time blocking guards your time to keep you mentally on track. You just have to check your calendar every now and then to know what you should be doing at that time. Before you go, I promise you a secret tip that has transformed my weeks, and here it is. Energy mapping. This is about aligning your tasks with your natural energy levels, and it's a game changer. I'm a morning person. I go to bed early, but I'm up with the first light. My mind is sharpest and my energy is sky high in the morning, and as time passes, that decreases. So, what I do is to tackle the most challenging tasks right at the start of the day, whether it's brainstorming new contacts, strategic planning, forecasting, or anything that requires deep thinking and a lot of energy. Why does this work wonders? Because you're leveraging your peak energy times to deal with complex tasks. This means not only do you do them more efficiently, but you're also less likely to procrastinate on them. And for tasks that require less brain power or are more routine, I save those for when my energy dips, usually in the afternoon. This way, I'm always working with my energy and not against it. Now, you might be a night owl, and that's perfectly fine. The key here is to observe when you're at your best and plan your day around that. Give it a try this week. Schedule your most demanding tasks during your peak energy times and the lighter ones for when you're not at 100%. Watch how it transforms your days. Thank you for watching. Share your weekly goals in the comments below. I'd love to see them and cheer you next week. See you in the next video. Bye.